Hello, I'm Dr. Mary Alvarado, Department of OB/GYN, Mayo Clinic Health System. What makes my practice unique from others is that it has a ton of variety to it. My practice can involve seeing patients in clinic, it can involve operating on patients, it can involve taking care of patients and delivering their babies. There's really kind of never a dull moment in my profession, and I think it makes it unique from others in that way. So when I meet a new patient, I definitely try to make them feel more comfortable by almost getting to know them a little bit before they arrive by reading through their history. I think now that we have electronic records and we can see some of that information, it's easy to sort of understand a little bit more about where they might be coming from on a medical basis. But then I also try to make them feel comfortable by allowing them to tell me why they're there, and then allow them to explain to me what's concerning to them and what questions they have. The most important thing I think I can offer my patients, actually it's probably two things. It's empathy and open-mindedness. You know, I think we see patients from all different walks of life, whether it has to do with their ethnicity, their socioeconomic background, their educational level, their gender identity, their sexual orientation. We may never walk in our patients' shoes, so it's important to empathize with what's going on with them. But it's also important to keep open-mindedness because people are so very different. I actually come from a pretty big family myself. I was the youngest of 7 kids and grew up in a pretty busy household. And now my husband and I together have 5 children and stay pretty busy raising them and watching them grow up. I would say the thing I like to do most in my spare time is actually cook. Cooking really relaxes me. I know sometimes it tortures people, but for me, it's just a natural place to be in the kitchen. I have to admit I can't bake because I hate measuring anything, but cooking for me is it's a creative way to relax. My mom was an awesome home cook, and I got to see her kind of put things together quickly for a big family. And quite honestly, it was pretty inspiring to watch her make things out of very simple and inexpensive and humble ingredients. So I think that motivated me to get in the kitchen originally, and now I realize it's a place where I can always relax and have fun.